Parents are very excited when their children are old enough to get started in the different learning stages. Homeschool helps parents to spend time with their kids in the early stages of learning. But one thing often forgotten is the planning part of homeschooling. This is important to track their progress and assess their performance in the long run. A homeschool calendar is a good tool to keep you on track and on schedule. You can easily make your lesson plan coinciding with the schedule you mapped out. One benefit of homeschooling your child is you can easily mix in the family's schedule with your academic schedule. The schedules are not followed strictly like an 8-hour job. It depends on the activities and availability of each family member who may be assigned to do the teaching in certain subjects. The homeschool year can be memorable depending on the activities you set for your kids. Learning time is also your bonding time with the kids. Another benefit in the schedule you are mapping out for the year is the flexibility of incorporating different activities or even educational trips. Here are other benefits you will enjoy while your child is homeschooled. 1. Homeschooling can alleviate the problem of peer pressure and bullying. Your child is safe at home, but at the same time learning at his or her own pace and learning capability. 2. Homeschooling is not only for those kids who were labeled with learning difficulties. Some children just need a different approach best suited for them. 3. Research shows that kids who are homeschooled have better social skills. 4. You get to spend time interacting with your child or children. Your child gets your sole attention to themselves. 5. You are the parent. Who has the best way of educating your child other than you? You can adjust lessons to your child's learning styles. You are the best teacher for your children. If you think that the best place to learn the essentials is your home, then homeschooling is for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.